It is definitely part of the strategy. So we are rolling 5 and even 10 to 20-year strategy actually at the group level. And of course, we are ramping up capacity to meet an increasing demand. I mean, with all the transformation that's happening in our industries, we are really at the start of a big ramp on industry change in size. Huh? Yeah. So we need to increase capacity, and I think the COVID and the constraint on the supply chain that we've seen last 2-3 years is bringing this to the public knowledge, more or less, that there is a scale change in manufacturing, industrial manufacturing for vacuum. So, yeah, the first, of course, is to bring our capabilities to be able to follow actually the demand. Yeah. But the strategy from the group is to use that investment also to trigger and flagship key projects that are also contributing to our net zero, because we don't want to invest in the past, we are investing in the future. So really the key focus is every single capacity increase has to have an impact on the climate change and have and bringing us closer to the carbon neutrality. So automation, as you mentioned, Geraldine, is key. Yeah? We made a choice to stay in Europe. I mean, of course, we have manufacturing in Asia, but we do manufacture closer to our customers. Yeah. And we are persistent to stay in Europe as a European company, and with an environment where there is competitive. Of course, so the competitive landscape is very diverse. Most of our competitors are producing in Asia. Yeah. So automation, for sure, it's first for bringing competitiveness, but also helping tackling the environmental issues. Because the line you've seen actually is fully automatic, but also contains a lot of data collection, which should improve actually the process flow, improve the lean manufacturing, and bring us actually closer to those data analytics that will help predictive maintenance. And maybe consuming less resources locally. Yeah. So that's really part of the core strategy of the group, and particularly in the site in NC, which has started years ago, actually.